Can you multiply 38 by 44 without calculator? Stick with this video for 5 minutes and you will learn how. Welcome to the 5th episode of Mental Mess series, and in this video, from now on, we are going to see multiplication problems, and we will start with 2-digit problem and then we will move to 3 digits as well. So let's just start with some simple problem. So we are going to do these mental problems, these multiplication problems mentally in our head. So I'll show you some methods which you can apply in your head and you can do these problems easily. So let's just start with the first problem. So let me write down the first problem. 31 multiplied by 61. So let's just see. So what we have to do is, first we have to multiply these two numbers together, right? So first we will multiply these two numbers together. So 1 multiplied by 1 will get 1. So this one is of our final answer. Let me write it down over here. And then what we have to do is, we have to do crisscross method. So in crisscross method, what we have to do is, we have to multiply these numbers here. So these two numbers in a cross form. So let's just multiply. So we have to multiply 1 by 6 and 3 by 1. So we will get 1 by 6 is 6 and 3 by 1 is 3. So we have to plus these two numbers together. So 3 and 6 we will get 9. And then in last, we have to multiply these two numbers. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. So this is our final answer. So what we have to do is, first we have to multiply over here these two numbers, and then we have to do the crisscross method like this. Then we have to multiply these numbers. So let me make image over here. So we will do like this. So let me write down the second problem. It will make more sense. So let me just do 24 and 12. So as over here you can see, first we have to multiply these two numbers. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. And then we have to do the cross method. So for the cross, we have to multiply 4 ones are 4 and 2 twos are 4. So we'll get 8. And then again we have to multiply these two numbers. So 2 ones are 2. This is our final answer. And this method is very easy, and you can do this method in your head by doing just a few problems and doing some practice. You can do these methods easily in your head. So let me do another problem. So let's just do 51 by 31. So let's just multiply these two numbers first. 1 ones are 1, and then we have to do the cross method. 5 ones are 5 and 3 ones are 3, and then we have to plus 5 and 3. So we'll get 8, and then we have to multiply 5 and 3. 5 3s are 15. So our final answer is 1581. So this is how you can do crisscross method. Now let me move to some advanced problems in which we have to do carry. So let me start. So let me write down the problem. So 73 multiplied by 12. And now let's just try to do this problem. So 3 multiplied by 2, we will get 3 2s are 6. Then we have to do the cross method. 3 1s are 3 and 7 2s are 14. So 14 and 3 we have to plus. So we will get 17. So we cannot write down 17 completely over here. So what we have to do is we have to write 7 and then we have to carry 1 over here. Right? So these are the carry problems. So now what we have to do, we have to do the same thing. We have to multiply 7 by 1. So 7 1s are 7 and then we have to plus this carry. So we will get 8. So this is our final answer. Let me do the similar problem one more time. So let me do 22 by 42. Let's just multiply these two numbers together. So 2 2s are 4. So imagine this image in your head for the multiplication. So it will make more sense. So you have to imagine things in a form of image. It will make more sense and it will make your problems in an easy way. You can solve these problems in an easy way. So always imagine the things in the image format in your head. So you can see this image 1x1. So first we have to multiply like this. 2 2s are 4 and then we have to do this x form. So for the x we have to do the cross method. So 4 2s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. That will give 12. So we will write 2 and we will carry 1. Correct? And let me write down the 1 over here. So 4 2s are or 2 4s are 8 and then we have to plus 1. So it will make 9. So 924 is our final answer. Let's just do another problem. Let me just do it. 23 by 32. 23 by 32. So 3 2s are 6. And then we have to do the cross method. For 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. That will make 13. 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. That will make 13. So we will write 3 over here and we will carry 1. So now what we have to do is we have to do the simple this multiplication. So 2 3s are 6 and then we have to plus 1. So it will make 736. So this is our final answer. Now let me do some more advanced problems in which we have to do carry 2 times. So let's just start. So let me write down the number. So 36 multiplied by 25. And over here you can see 6 5s are 30. So we will write 0 over here and 3 will be carried. And then what we have to do is we have to do the cross multiplication. So 6 2s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So doing plus to both numbers, we will get 12 plus 15. So we will get 27. And then we have to plus 3. So we will get 30. And again we will carry 3. Now let's just multiply 3 2s are 6 and then we will plus 3. So we'll get 900. So this is our final answer. Now let's just come to our final problem on which we started our session. So let me just multiply 38 by 44. So we'll multiply 4 times 8. So we will get 32. We will write down 2 and we will carry 3. Again we will multiply 8 4s are 32 and 32 multiply 32 and 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 32. So we will get 44 and then we have to plus 3. So we'll get 47. So we'll write down 7 over here and then we will carry 4. So now we have to do the multiplication like this. So 3 4s are 12 and then we have to plus 4. So we will get 16. So this is our final answer. See how easy it is to do the multiplication in a crisscross method. In our future videos, we are also going to see 3 digits numbers. Thank you.